Hello, welcome to Texas A&M University-Kingsville. I'm Shad Nelson, Dean of the Dicka Mary Lewis Clayburgh College of Agriculture and Natural Resources.
I came to Kingsville so I could major in ag business because I plan on having my own range and wildlife ranch, hopefully in the near future. The work-study schedule is there so that you can work your job and have class at the same time. I suggest coming to Kingsville because they have a large range of degree plans for any major, for any career, whether it be wildlife and range management or ag business.
The reason I want to come is because of the good program that Kingsville has to offer, and I also have a lot of family, which also influenced my decision. But the biggest part was how big and how good or heard of the range and wildlife program is. Taking care of the animals helps me understand how to take care of animals, how to make sure they're fed, cared for, cleaned. And I also get to work out in the pastures and stuff, doing brush management, stuff like that. That helps with refer to my range and wildlife degree, because it's a particularly easier job to have, and it works with my school hours to where I can focus still good on school and still do good in school while making a good amount of money to help pay for rent and groceries and stuff like that.
So I came to A&M Kingsville. I was actually part of the PSA program, but I saw the opportunities that A&M Kingsville provided me as a pre-vet student, and I decided to stay here instead of transfer to Texas A&M.
It's been great. I've learned a lot of things from agriculture mechanics, plant science. Now I get to do animal science one-on-one with livestock. So it's prepared me in different aspects of agriculture. I get to have many experiences hands-on by the book and also networking with a lot of people. I would tell them to come take a tour of the university. That's what I did first. I came to the university, saw the way it was. I saw our agriculture department. I was able to talk to some people, and I feel like that's what made me want to come here more, just seeing the environment that Tamuk has.
We welcome you to campus to be able to receive the experiential learning and hands-on training so that you receive the applied skills you need to be successful in your career.